Fish and shrimp stew. Ingredients: whitefish like cod 1 pound, in small pieces, shrimp, 1 pound, onion medium chopped, 1, garlic cloves minced, 2, bell pepper chopped, 1, carrot sliced, 2, celery chopped, 2, diced tomato, 1 can, vegetables and fish broth, 4 cups, olive oil, 2 tablespoons, bay leaf, 1, fresh parsley, as needed, salt and pepper, as needed, lemon slices, for decoration. First, heat the oil in a pan over medium heat. Now add garlic, onion, bell pepper, carrot and celery to the pan. Cook these vegetables for 5 to 7 minutes until soft. Boil it for 10 minutes. Now add fish and shrimp to it and cook it for another 5 to 7 minutes. Remove bay leaf from it and garnish it with fresh parsley and lemon slices. This stew contains fish and shrimp, which are rich in protein. It keeps muscles healthy. It contains vegetables that are rich in vitamins and minerals which improve our health and support our immune system. Olive oil contains healthy fats, which are very important for heart health. Broth soothes your digestion and keeps you hydrated. This stew is made with simple fish or shrimp, which is rich in fiber and a healthy meal that can be prepared in about 30 minutes. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more delicious and nutritious recipes.